Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Immich on Ubuntu 24.04. Before installing any software, verify that the server is running Ubuntu 24.04. If the server is running a different operating system version, upgrade or reinstall the operating system before continuing. Immich is deployed using Docker Compose. The recommended installation method is to install Docker directly from Docker's official Ubuntu repository rather than using Ubuntu's packaged Docker version. Start by updating the package index and installing the required dependencies. Next, remove any existing Docker packages to avoid conflicts. Continue to create the Docker keyring directory. Now, download Docker's official GPG key. Then, allow all users to read the key. Continue to add Docker's official repository. After that, refresh the package information. Now, install Docker Engine and Docker Compose. Next, enable Docker so it starts automatically after every reboot. Continue to verify that Docker is working correctly. Then, display the installed Docker version. Continue to display the installed Docker Compose version. If all commands complete successfully, Docker is ready for use. Next, create the Immich working directory and download the official deployment files. Generate a secure database password. Create the Immich directory. Then, download the official Compose file. Continue to download the example environment file. Next, create storage directories for media uploads and PostgreSQL data. Continue to configure the environment file. Now, pull the required container images. Depending on your network speed, the download may take several minutes. Once the images have been downloaded, start the stack. You should see the following services running. All containers should display an up or healthy status. Now, confirm that Docker, Compose, and Immich are running correctly. Check the installed versions. Continue to verify the environment configuration. Next, check running containers. Then, display downloaded images. Now, test the local Immich endpoint. Continue to test the public endpoint. A successful HTTP response confirms that Immich is operational and accessible. Now, open your browser and navigate to the following URL. Immich will display the first user setup page. Next, create your administrator account. The first account automatically receives administrator privileges. Then, log in using the administrator account. Now, you can enable automatic backups. Your photos and videos will begin uploading to the server automatically.